Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed. Please do not forget to like, to subscribe, to hit the notification button. And guess what? I will be here tomorrow on repeat. Anything that you want me to review, just put it down in the comment section. And darlings, guess what? Your wish is my command. Are we living and loving the hair? Are we living and loving the hairline? Are we living and loving the baby hairs? None other than what? Healthy Hair Studio.
Guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking here.
So why are we here? Well, it is with very apparent images and attitude and behavior that Ben is trying very hard to jump back into Jen's bed. Jennifer Garner, for that matter. I think he has a tattoo on his person where it says Jen, and I just looked at it and I thought, how convenient. It tells me here that Ben does not know what he wants. He does not know what he wants, and he owes Jennifer Lopez a huge apology. Bless her heart, she did not even know any better, because he really wants to get back with Jen. The thing is that Jennifer Garner, the mother of his 3 children, wants no parts. She has a boyfriend. She has a man that she wants to get married to, and it's not unstable. Ben, you. It is not you. You know why? I tried you and it didn't work out. And for obvious reasons, why you're coming on vacation with me and my boyfriend tells me that I still don't want you, because you still do not know what you want. And I had to come out here in these streets and let my beautiful young sisters know. You see, guys like Ben, don't date them. He don't know what he wants. And it might look good at the time, and he might even go ahead and be lucky and get the girl he wants. And the second he gets her, I don't want anymore. That's how it is. I don't want anymore. No. I thought I wanted her, but no, I don't want her anymore. And so you're wasting your time. You're wasting your time with somebody like this. Jennifer Lopez, I'm sure, is looking at this with disdain. And I am sure she's also saying to herself, ugh. All of the beautiful dresses, the wedding dresses that she wore, my God, I think she had like 5. I think they were all from Ralph Lauren. I also looked and I was like, wow, dreamy. I lived for them.
What matters most, if I am giving up the ghost, remind me, babe, and I will do my best to recall. And if I stumble and fall, if I make a mess of it all, remind me, babe, and I will do my best to recall. This city can be hard and unforgiving. You better know who you are. You brought me back to the living. You were my guiding star. And if I ever forget what matters most, if I am giving up the ghost, remind me, babe, and I will do.
And and she was there going all over the place talking about Ben said not going anywhere going anywhere Before the wedding, he was already going. You could tell. The wedding evening alone was a hot mess, and Jennifer did not want to go down those murky waters to divorce him. But it was becoming a running joke. And before it spilled out onto the street, she said, let me just leave this brother right here. And she's tried to hang in there because he has children with Jennifer Garner and she has twins of her own. And still, you see Ben smiling like he never smiled with Jennifer Lopez. I don't even think in this instance, to be fair, that it was Jennifer Lopez's fault. I think it was Ben. I think because Ben did say in a documentary, upon reflection, he never wanted a divorce. I feel a hot flash. Oh yes, it's a hot flash. Ooh, ooh, ooh. How am I feeling? They've told me breathe. I'm breathing, not working. Where is my fan? Yes, because can you see some sweat beads? Yes, yes, yes. The fan will do everything. Let me just put it here. Right there. There you go. And it can just cool me down. It's Ben. Yeah. And they said spicy food. And I love spicy food. There you go. No. It's not cooling me enough. Let me hold it. Can you see how my skin is glistening? That is what you call a hot flash. Right there and then. And the window is open. Let me just powder myself. I'm telling you, this is my life. I don't know how long this goes on for. My God. But I'm working out. I'm back at the gym. We're losing weight. I've lost about 7 pounds. I'm very happy. So I'll lose the weight that I gained and I'll see where I'm at. Okay. You guys let me know if you want to join me. But now what I do, I drop Adrian off at school and then from there I go and work out. So that's what I'm doing. I digress. I do not think that it had anything to do with Jennifer. Jennifer is her own person. Who is Jennifer? Jennifer is an actress. Jennifer is one of the most hard-working celebs out there in Hollywood. Some of you would disagree, acting, singing, dancing, but she's a hard worker and she always has been. And that's what she does best, evidently. And I think that Ben thought, you know what, the pieces that he was stealing away from her and she was giving him, that this was going to be married life until he married her and then realized, I want very well balanced. I want to have a woman who is a mother to the kids, picks them up from school. She's not wearing a ton of makeup every day. I don't have the paparazzi following us because I am married to this woman. I think it's a big part of it. I met Jennifer Garner when I was out in California. We were living pretty close to each other. Ula had rented this fabulous place and she was picking up the children, which was just a stone throw away. And she's a wonderful person. I have to, second that. So I'm gonna do this right now. Absolutely. You guys should leave her alone. You should be ashamed of yourself. She's a mother first. I don't care. You should leave her alone. I'm going to spoil the whole thing. You should leave her alone. You shouldn't do that. I'm a mother too. Jennifer, get into your car and go. I love you. Bye.
Thank you. I love you too.
Out.
You're gonna jump for me? You're gonna jump for me? I work for you.
Okay. What do you have to say for yourself?
We love you too. You see?
I've met Jennifer Lopez too, and she's a wonderful person too. It's a matter of what do I want for myself? And again, like I've said, Ben does not know what he wants. I think he's very good at wanting what he cannot have. If that makes sense. That's how I see it. He's very good at wanting what he cannot have. And I think because Jennifer doesn't care about him. And Jennifer Gardner, in the sense that marry, don't marry, have a girlfriend. She doesn't care. She's happy for him. She's happy for him, and that just kind of unsettles him. So it's like, what is this? So they went away with the kids, the beautiful 3 children. They've grown now. Wow, how time flies. And I think he's lonely for that home life. Because I will say this, I enjoy my marriage because I married my best friend. And there's a deep companionship there, as well as the physicalities. But the companionship it really deepens over the years. You get to know each other so well, and you love each other regardless. Nevertheless, I still love you, Fumi. I'm like, thank you. And so this really is your security blanket. It's your life, you know. You look around and you're so happy with the life that you have because you've chosen well. And you've chosen well in the sense that you've chosen somebody who truly makes you happy, and you build together, you grow together, you grow old together. You see your children get older. That cannot change. That will not change. And of course, Jennifer has that with Mark as well in relation to the twins. Me personally, that wanted to be married, that wanted to have children, had I not been married, there would be a sadness there, there would be a loneliness there, because I have to keep myself. I don't know who I'm letting into my home, who is intruding into my space, who I can trust. Will you really be here for forever, ever? Jennifer has every right to ask that. At this stage, yes. And Ben disappointed her because they already been broke up. He came back and he lied through his teeth. They divorced, and here he is now with Jennifer. It's saddening to see that, because it's evident that you liar. That's Jennifer Lopez looking at Ben and all of these pictures, smiling and laughing, and doesn't care about the paparazzi of which he didn't mind to break an arm because he could see one. With Jennifer Garner, he doesn't mind. And I think Jennifer Garner is his home. But guess what? The home has been sold, the house is on sale, and she got her change. She's out. You're going to do all of this with a different man. That's all I've got to tell you, my darlings. It's kind of sister to sister advice, experience, the kind of back and forth. It is what it is. So make sure you choose well. And when a man does not know whether he wants to get married, he doesn't know what he wants. It's not about you. It's about him not knowing what he wants. And you see that walking on eggshells with this kind of guy every single time, not going to work. On a much more lighter note, as you can see in the background, we are going to Mykonos. Oh my God, I am so excited. I cannot wait. The link will be down below. It is in October. You can pay instrumentally until we get to October. And darlings, I'm going to be there. Nina Daffy has built this wonderful brand, and it is social media magic. In a time when social media is really overtaking mainstream media and news for authenticity, oh my God, it is going to be a fabulous getaway, and it's going to be the longest time that I've actually been together with my Fumi Nation sisters, and I'm excited.
Value of the information that we were given. So it's not overwhelming. It was very clearly laid out. It was accessible even for someone that's not familiar with public relations.
Now I'm leaving, feeling more PR ready. What I thought I knew, I now know more. What I came to do, I've done so much more.
If you are serious about really growing your business or growing your brand, then like this is really this is a must.
And I love the fact that I came away from it feeling and knowing that I now have a clear pathway for the things I want to do next for my business.
I'm literally in awe.
I feel like I can pitch. There's so many platforms that I've wanted to go on, so many podcasts or just things that I thought I can only dream about. But in this retreat and just through the classes and the sessions, I really learned how to actually reach out to those platforms, to those huge platforms.
Know that when it comes to PR, Nina gonna put you together, okay? During our sessions, how she walked us through the playbook and she had us complete tasks. It gave us a sense of clarity.
Nina, you did that. You brought a group of amazing women together and you helped us bond, see our worthiness, and yeah, it was everything I could have dreamed of and more.
Yes, it's really been a unforgettable experience.
This is by far the most impactful few days I've had in a very long time.
Nina, you have no idea how profoundly your journey has impacted my journey.
Don't even think about not signing up.
Until then, my darlings, do not forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I will see you. What? I'll see you tomorrow. Love you. Bye.